Good day and welcome to NZ Money Making class. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can install an application that has been sent to you, perhaps via Telegram, WhatsApp, or someone just sent it to you and the person is far away. Or let's just give a particular instance. You have restrictions getting access to an application because of the country you found yourself in, and let's say you have a friend staying over at that country and the person sent you the application, but somehow you're having difficulty installing the application. In this video, I'll be teaching you practically how you can attend to such, how you can be able to, how you can download the application and use the application. First and foremost, perhaps you must have tried sending an application from your phone, but you're also having headlocks and it's seeming difficult for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you a breakthrough how you can also send applications to persons on WhatsApp without really downloading any extra application. That's for the sending, or for the other one that you need installation, you will need an application to do that. So without much ado, let's get straight down into business. Remember, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, click on the subscription button and don't forget to hit on the notification bell to get more awesome updates like this. So first and foremost, we go over to files, which is Google Play Store, and so that's it, files, and then sorry, so you move over to images. So should I say images? Okay, so what you simply do is you come over here where you have apps, you click on apps, and then you allow the application to load. Now if you take notes here, you can see app install application APK. Now that's if there's any APK that's on your perhaps you've downloaded, and you can click on them here. But I just want us to try out something and see if this works out. Let's just see. Okay, let's see if it's going to allow me. Okay, let me click on allow from the source. Take note that when installing applications, you need to allow from the source based on the application you're using. If it's Chrome, you need to allow. If it's WhatsApp, you need to allow. Whatever place it is, you just need to allow. So after that, you go back and then click on install. So let's see what the verdict is going to be, if the application is going to get installed. Now so that's that. So the next thing I'll need us to do, I think when it's done installing, it will notify me. So okay, so that I get a good result for you guys. Let's see. I can't see the application yet. So let's see. The name is Dash, so it's not installed. It's not installed yet. So let's try again. Let's try again one more time. Then let's just see. Go back to file. Then I go back to app install. Then I want to install Dash, and I want this one. So oh, I think it told me something. I didn't really say that. So let me just wait and see. So it says it's installing the app. So it says Dash was installed. If you can see that down there, Dash was installed. So the application has been installed. So let's go over here and see. So that's it. That's it. DESH. Whoa. Sorry, I still can't find it. I still can't find the file. Okay, so it's how much you do. Let's get down. Okay, let's see. File. Let's go back. So now you see that for me to download an application is not that simple. It's just ain't working. So since we know it's not working, what do we do? Now go back to the applications. So the first one I want to show you is how you can send any application you want to send. So I'm just going to pick one application here. So Asana, I'll click on share. Now this will give me the ability for me to send this to anybody on WhatsApp. So I've chosen WhatsApp or Telegram or even an email. I can send the application. So I'll be choosing here, and I'm sending this there. So the application you see about 13 MB has come in here. Now that's the first one. Now also the next thing I'll need you to know is that sometimes when you need to run applications that are not from Play Store, you come over here, click on About Phone. You need to activate developer options, and then you click on this software information. Then you look for what's called build number. This build number, please click on build number 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Once you do that, it will tell you that you are now a web developer. Now you will have access for you to edit some settings as you wish to do so in web development. So that's it. So the next thing, let's see what's it. Now you can see down here developer options. These developer options is usually not activated on your phone unless if you've clicked build number 7 times. So that's it. So you can change whatever thing it is you wish to change. Well, now that's by the way. So after you've activated that, next thing you need to do is I told you need to allow the particular application you're installing from, if it's WhatsApp, if it's Chrome, allows us to install application. Now sometimes if you download from Chrome, they will likely tell you that the file you downloaded it's not safe and all that. But if you feel comfortable going ahead with it, your app is definitely going to get installed. So the next thing after installing I've shown you how to share a file. So the next thing I want to show you is how do you install. So I sent a particular file to someone here, and it's okay. I sent a particular file here. Sorry, let me just get it out. Okay, so So now after installing it, there's still another application I'll need to introduce you to. The name of that application is called APK Combo, and with that you can always install any application you have installed. Like you can see over here that it tells me do I want to open with APK Combo. Now once I click yes, this file will begin to install. So right now I don't have Dash on my phone, and once I do that it will begin to install. So this is the file. Now that's it, and this is the APK combo installer. So what's going to happen is I'll likely leave I think I'll leave a link to the website in my description, so you can always go there to pick a file and then download the files that you want. So let's go over to Google now, and then we're going to search for any particular file of our choice that we feel we want to download. So let's see Western Union. Western Union. Of course, I'm sure by now you fully understand that not all applications are available in everyone's countries. There are some applications that are basically country bound and location bound. So now this is Western Union. Of course, perhaps you see it tells me app may not be available. Well, in my country, Western Union application is not available. So what do? I move over here. I could go to APK Monk or any other one, but I think I want to make use of APK Combo, so that okay, let me just show you with this one. So you come over to APK Monk, you click on it, then you see here it tells you download APK. Now the beautiful thing about this is that you can always check for previous versions. So if you feel that a particular application you're using has issues and you feel a previous version is better, and because of how Play Store functions, you can always come over here and check for previous versions. So we'll come over here and click download APK, and then you see it's already downloading. So if I wanted to have um, so if I wanted to have if I wanted to have an application, a previous application, then I'll have to click on check for previous versions here, which is what I'll do. So let's go back and see. So there's check for previous versions. So you can see, I can see all the various versions here listed here. Then we'll have 7 and all that. So I could click on 6.7. And so you see with that, the application will begin to download. So once I've downloaded the application, we're going to see how, let's see, the files are quite large. Okay, so well, for the sake of this class, I would just give an example. I did send, okay, so let me make use of this. Now I have also downloaded APK. Okay, let's make use of this. Now take note that I downloaded this application on Google, but look over here, you can see package installer. Package installer, it's actually the application for installing app that came on my phone. I'm going to click on it, and then you will see that I will likely have some difficulty installing Dash. So the moment I have difficulty installing Dash, I will definitely have to make use of APK combo. So well, it was actually installed. It was actually installed the package installer. Well, that's good. Now, but there are some that might likely not be installed. So at that point, you will likely need to know what to do. So Western Union has also been installed, and I want to click on that and see. Hopefully that it gets installed. It opens up. Now there are some files sometimes when you download they will not come with XAP with APK. They might come with XAPK. When you have such files, what you need to do is you simply have to, sometimes you might need to rename it. At other times you might need to use a file explorer to extract it. I still recommend you could make use of ES Explorer, any other one out there that you feel comfortable with. So right now I'm trying to install this, but what's coming out for me seems to be a document, and honestly I still don't understand why. Okay, so let's see again here. So see, they've all been downloaded. Now let's see, I'm trying to open the file so you can see that. So Western Union, say app not installed, you can see that exactly what I told you. So since the app is not installed, we're going back again to downloads. Okay, perhaps it's a network glitch. Let me try this other one. You can see still same thing I'm getting the same thing. So what do I do in this at this stage? So tells me file not supported. Okay, so remember I told you we have another installer. So I want to make use of the other installer now for this. Okay, sorry, let me go back to file manager. So here's the Western Union. I'm going to click on this and then see if it gets installed before I finally use the application I want us to use. So obviously you can see that Western Union has actually been um, downloaded. So that's it. They're asking me my country and all that and the whole lot. So you can see that clearly. So that's it. Then so that's the application. So I have successfully downloaded Western Union, which would now have been available to me on Play Store. So with this now, I can also do an update on it and all that. So I'm not so much interested with the whole. Okay, very good. I'm not so much interested in the whole update thing. So that's it. Now, the next thing I want us to look at now, we've seen how to download an application, but then I just choose file. I didn't use app combo. So if you are to make use of APK combo, what do you do? I'm going to show you that briefly. Yeah, APK combo. APK. So this is the application here. This is it. You click on it here, and then you move over. You search for the file that you want to install. You have to tick this install package and read and write and all that. So yeah, so the files that you've downloaded, you can come over here and then so this is one. So we'll go back to Chrome and then we'll pick on the particular file that we want. So this is dash. I'm picking on it and then it asks me. Now remember this file has x.apk. So you click on yes. Now, do you see that APK combo is actually doing the installation for Dash? Now, if the application is already installed, it will tell you failed. It's not going to pull through. But the application is not installed, you will definitely see it. So I'll still show you. See, it tells me it has been installed. So I can go over to Dash and then do whatever thing it is I want to do. So where do we get this? That's Dash. So the next thing I want us to look at is how can you get APK combo? I simply need to do is just search APK combo and that's it. So you can on the side there. So that's what you need. So here you can search for any file you want. So let's say I'm looking for lemonade. So I can click on lemonade and search. I've already told you all the other things that you need the application for. So once this opens up, so I'm just clicking on any one at all. So this is it. So you can see they're asking me to download the APK, and then the old version is also here. So if I want an older version, I can do that. So that's all. So even if okay, let's go to something. Let me show you something before I wrap up this. Now you see here, read more. Now so they will tell you when you click on read more, they'll tell you if you want to install any of this application, you need this. So once you click on this, the application will begin to download. So once it downloads, you will see it in your you'll see it. Then you can actually use APK combo installer. You can install it with any other of your install on your phone. So once you're good to go, that's it. You have your application, you can use it. So you can see my own case is Western Union, and I think I want to do something about it. I want to update the Western Union. So I will make use of APK combo because with APK combo you can actually um you can look for a file and all that. It has other functions. You can sign APK, choose where you want them to be installed and all that. So with this now, I come over here to the application I want to get a new update for. So I click on open with Chrome, takes me there, and so this is the latest version which I can actually download. Or if I don't want to download that because it's telling me it's German version, so I want to write let's say Western Union US Union USA. So so obviously you can see Western Union. It seems the only one available is for German. So okay. But once it's done, we'll just check it out again and see. So once you're done installing the application, You go over here, click on downloads, and then that's it. So whatever the application is, you click there. Sorry. So let's use this. Open APK combo. So once the person sends you a file on WhatsApp, you come over here to WhatsApp, and then you click on this. Then you click on use APK combo to install. So that's it, and then you click yes, the installation process starts. So that's it. Tells me to install. Once I install, the update if there's already another file, to tell me another file already exists or an older version or previous version. So take note that you always need to uninstall the file. So with that, you see it has been installed. So we are good to go. So that's it. So thank you very much for watching.